Our topic name is factorization. In this topic, we are going to learn the factorization of algebraic expression. What is meant by algebraic expression? We have learned in the last topic. So let us start what is meant by factorization and how to factorize the expression. But before going to factorize the expressions, we will see the factors of natural numbers. The factors of natural numbers. For example, here the example is given that find the factors of 75. We know that 75 is a natural number. To factorize 75 or to factorize any number, we must know the divisibility test or divisibility test for 2, 3, 5, 9, 6, etc. Here 75 is not divisible by 2 because its units place digit is not 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then we have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Means the divisibility test of 3 is if the sum of the digit of the given number is divisible by 3, then the given number is also divisible by 3. So here 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 is divisible by 3. So 75 is also divisible by 3. After dividing 75 by 3, we will get the division 25. Now 25 is not divisible by 3. But we know the test of divisibility test of 5. That is, if the unit place digit of any number is 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. So 25 is divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So in this way, we have factorized 75 and we get the factors of 75, that is 3 into 5 into 5. In this way, we can factorize any natural number or any number by dividing the given number by the prime numbers or prime factors. Now, we have to see the factors of algebraic expression. Our first method is factorization method is method of common factors. Mean we have to find the common factors of the given algebraic expression. For example, here first example is factorize 2x plus 4. Here if we observe this expression, then there are two terms. These two terms are separated by plus sign. Here the left side of the expression is a 2x and the right side is only 4. At the right side there is no variable. But if we consider the numerals, then it is seen that there are two numbers, that is 2 and 4, which in this expression. Now 4 can be written as 2 into 2. And now here from the left side as well as the right side, we can take 2 as a taken as a common and 2 is multiplying to x. Here 2 is multiplying to 2. So 2 is multiplying is the common 2. 2 which is taken as a common multiply also to the bracket means remaining terms x plus 2 will come in the bracket. In this way x and x plus 2 these are the two factors of the given expression. Now again we will see the next expression, that is factorize 12a square b plus 15ab square. Again there are two terms, first is 12a square b and 15ab square. From the first and the second term, that is from the coefficients 12 and 15, here we can factorize 12 as 2 into 2 into 3 because 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, and a square can be written as a into e, a into a and b into b, plus 15 can be written as 3 into 5 plus a into b into b. And now we can take the common here 3, then a and b can be taken, means 3ab can be taken as a common, and remaining terms, that is here 2 to the 4a and 5b can be written in the bracket, and therefore 3ab is the first bracket, first factor, and the second factor is 4a plus 5b. In this way we have factorized the given expression by taking common factors. Now there is third example, that is a 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x raised to 4. Here again 10x square can be written as 2 into 5 into x into x. Then 18 can be written, 18x cube can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into x cube is x into x into x. Then 14x4 x raised to 4 can be written as 2 7 are 14 into x raised to 4 is there, so x into x into x into x. And now 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x square x raised to 4 can be written as here 2 into 5 into x into x minus 18x cube, that is 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x, plus here 14 x raised to 4 can be written as 2 into 7, here 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x. And now taking, we have to take the common factors from the three terms, that is 2 can be taken as a common because 2 and these 2. Then x, 1x and 1x, so we have taken here x as a common. Then there is one more x, here one more x, and here is also one more x, so another x can be taken as a common. Now the remaining terms can be written in the bracket, that is 5 minus 3 3s are 9x plus 7x square, and therefore here 2x into x means 2x square into bracket 5 minus 9x plus 7x square, and therefore the factors of the given expression are 2x square and the another factor is 5 minus 9x plus 7x square. In this way we are taking common factors outside the bracket and remaining terms or remaining factors inside the bracket. Now there is one more question, that is factorize. First question is 12x plus 36. Here 12x plus 36, that is equal to, here we can directly take, is there such a number which can divide 12 as well as 36. So there is one number, or that is 12. 12 can divide 12 and 12 can divide 36. So 12 can be taken as a common, and remaining terms, that is x plus 12 threes are. So here 12 is taken as a common. So 12 into bracket x plus 3. So these are the factors of the given expression. So factors are 12 and x plus 3. Now in the second example, 14 pq plus 35 pqr, we have to factorize this expression. Again we will find such a number which can divide 14 as well as 35. Is there such a number? So we find such a number, that is 7, which can divide 14 as well as 35. So 7 into 2 means 7 2s are 14, pq as it is, plus 7 into 5, that is 7 5s are 35, pqr as it is. So here from both these sides we can take 7 as a common, then pq also can be taken as a common, and the remaining terms in the bracket, that is 2 plus 5r. So we got the two factors, that is 7 pq and another factor 2 plus 5r. So factors are 7 pq and 2 plus 5r. Now in the third example, that is 22y minus 33z. This expression is also we have to factorize. Again we have to find such a number which can divide 22 as well as 33. Here we know that 11 can divide 22, so 11 2s are 22. So write y as minus 11 3s are 33, so 11 into 3, write z as it is. From both these sides only 11 can be taken as a common, and remaining terms, that is 2y minus 3z in the bracket. In this way the factors of the given expressions are 11 and 2y minus 3z.